This video is a guide on how to bridge assets to CELO and create a strategy on CarbonDeFi, which will qualify for airdrop rewards distributed by Merkle. Let's start by bridging assets to CELO. You can go to CELO.org and scroll down to the bottom where you will see the docs. From there, you can search the term bridge. For this video, we'll be using Jumper Exchange, which allows us to swap tokens and blockchains at the same time. I'm using a burner wallet. It's got about $200 worth of tokens spread out over 7 or 8 blockchains. This particular wallet is one that I made just for trying out new blockchains and new protocols. And with the help of protocols like Jumper, I can turn my ETH on the Arbitrum blockchain into CELO on the CELO mainnet. I connect my wallet, select my ETH on Arbitrum, select CELO on CELO, and then approve the transactions for both swapping and bridging. The address that the CELO is sent to is managed by the MetaMask wallet. And as soon as the transaction is done, I can see my CELO tokens. From here, we can go to Merkle.xyz and check the Opportunities tab at the top, and then search for CarbonDeFi. Scroll down past all of the opportunities for CarbonDeFi on TAC to see the opportunity for CarbonDeFi on CELO. In this case, we need to provide the CELO USDGLO pair within 2% of the spot. Now we click on Participate, and that takes us to CarbonDeFi. From here, we select the CELO blockchain by clicking the drop-down in the upper right. I need to convert my USDT to CELO. Then I'm going to convert some of my CELO into USDGLO. Then we make a concentrated liquidity strategy with a 0.05% fee, which has a range that is plus or minus 1% of the current spot price. I will then indicate how much USDGLO I wish to provide, and the CarbonDeFi frontend will tell me how much CELO I need to provide alongside that USDGLO. Then I click Create. I set my USDGLO cap to unlimited, I approve the USDGLO amount in my MetaMask wallet, then finally, I create the strategy, which sends me to the Portfolio tab upon completion. This entire process of creating a strategy and approving the transactions was done in real time. The whole process of approving the spending limits and the transactions only takes about half a second for each activity. Now I can go to Merkle.xyz again and check to see if I'm earning the airdrop rewards. You don't need to do anything to qualify for the rewards after you've made the strategy. Merkle automatically watches all of the positions on CarbonDeFi which have this pair, and strategy creators who make this pair automatically qualify rewards once every epoch. And on Merkle, an epoch is about 12 hours. The Merkle frontend does not update immediately, so if you check right after making your strategy, like I am now, you probably won't see your latest strategy from CarbonDeFi. Not yet. After I created my strategy, I stepped away from my computer for about 45 minutes, and when I came back, I had already begun to accumulate airdrop rewards. To claim these rewards, simply go to Merkle, check your dashboard, and click on them. And my strategy, despite being only worth about $30 US, had already seen 8 trades in 45 minutes.